Vinesh Sinha founded FatHopes Energy Sdn Bhd at the age of 21 after his successful experiment of running a diesel vehicle on used cooking oil. He has since grown the organization into a regional forerunner in the realm of waste vegetable oil collection, aggregation and conversion of the same into high-quality advanced biofuels. FatHopes Energy carries a series of environmentally compliant liquid biofuel products and offers services that convert waste to renewable energy sources, resulting in measured and meaningful carbon abatement solutions.
Over the years, the biggest challenge that we've had is consumers and society at large understanding what we do. We try to educate and involve as many stratas as possible to get a better understanding of what we do. Persevere, never give up, and always believe that what you're doing can succeed with perseverance.
Mr. Vinesh Sinha, FatHopes Energy Sdn Bhd.